Hello, this is Sean with Wash Dry Fold POS. In this video, I'd like to show you our new rewards program. When this feature is enabled for your store, your customers will be able to earn points for every laundry order they pay for, and then later redeem those points for coupon-like rewards. First, let's see it in action. I'll select a customer that has some points already accumulated and ring up a new laundry order. Before I get to the payment screen, the Claim a Reward pop-up appears, with rewards the store owner has set up ahead of time. If a customer does not have enough points to redeem any rewards, or the rewards program has been disabled for this particular customer, this pop-up will automatically be skipped. In this example, one of the buttons is grayed out because the customer does not have enough points yet to claim this reward. Another reason a reward button might be grayed out is if there are no items in the order that this reward applies to, similar to a coupon. At the end of the transaction, the printed receipt will show how many points were earned or spent, and the customer's new rewards points total. Here's how to enable the rewards program for a store. First, go to the Store Settings page. At the bottom of the Store Info tab, there's a section titled Rewards Program. Check the Enable Rewards Program checkbox and select a rewards program type. New Orders says that 1 point is earned for every laundry order paid at least partially with real money. Orders paid entirely with store credit do not count towards points earned. While Dollars Spent says that points are earned from real money spent on a laundry order's subtotal before tax, rounded down to the nearest whole dollar. Store credit spent does not count towards points earned. If you want new customers that try your drop-off service to get a leg up with some rewards points to start with, enter a number you feel is appropriate in the Starting Rewards Points for New Customer field. This could also be used as a way to offer a high point cost reward for brand new drop-off customers as a first-time incentive. Click the green Save button when you're done. Here's how to create rewards items. Go to the Inventory page. In the right column, click the button labeled New Reward. The new reward will need a name, a department it appears in, a point cost, whether it's a flat discount or a percentage and its value, and what items it can be applied to. Click Save when you are done, and now you have another reward to offer. Thank you for watching.